Alright, we're here, race day morning at the Finke Desert Race in Australia. I was going to give you guys a quick little rundown on what it takes to have a quad that's competitive down here. We started off with a Honda TRX 700XX. Made quite a few modifications to dial it in for this race. Started off with the motor. We've got an FMF pipe. Rich Morrell did the engine. He ported the head. We're running a webcam. Got an IMS tank with quick fill, precision shock and vibe clamp, as well as the precision dampener, Renthal bars, IMS handguards. We've got Hauser A-arms and stem Fox shocks all the way around. We're running the floats in the front and podiums in the rear. PRM, we're running their bumper and their full belly skid to help protect the bottom of the bike. We're running a Can-Am air filter that works a lot better than the stock foam filter. It keeps all the silt out and it still flows real good too. Got Galfer steel braided brake lines. Gives you a little bit more braking power over the stock rubber lines. Got the Hauser Nerfs. What's nice about these is the pegs actually have rubber bushings here that allow it to flex. And they're modular, so if you bent a Nerf bar, you can take it off and still run the peg and the heel guard, or if you bent the heel guard, you still run the Nerf. We're running Hyper wheels with bead locks, and then we're running GBC X-Rex tires all the way around. And those are a real good tire. They hook up good, they handle real well, and they're very flat resistance. They're 6-ply tires. Attack Graphics did the kit for me. They're part of Rocky Mountain ATV, as well as the majority of these parts you can all get from RockyMountainATV.com. And they've got awesome customer service, I think the best pricing around, and they'll get the stuff to you right away. So I highly recommend getting all of your parts from RockyMountainATV.com. Another big part of this race is you have your quad set up, but you also have to have your body in top shape. So Hammer Nutrition's been working with me a lot. They help me out with a nutritional program. I'm using their Fizz, which is an electrolyte, as well as gels that I'll be taking throughout the race. I'll be wearing Troy Lee gear. I think it's the best gear out there. Super comfortable, as well as Scott goggles with amber lenses, which is kind of like my favorite color. I think it gives you more definition in the dirt. I also really want to thank Honda of Australia for providing the bike, Glenn Hoffman Racing, and I really want to thank Desert Edge Motorsports. They've been awesome, showing us around, making sure we stay pointed in the right direction. And Mike Vroom, he's just been awesome. So without all of those guys, we wouldn't have been able to do this. So we've got, I think a very competitive bike, and really now it's up to me to go out there and twist the throttle and get this thing done.